So another major reason that a lot of people fall off track when it comes to changing their diet to lose weight is because they don't have the time to invest in cooking, or they end up resenting that time in the kitchen and spending too much time on cooking. Cooking gets complicated because it's learning a new skill if you're not used to it, and it takes a lot of time every day. I know some clients that spend up to an hour and a half just preparing their dinners or their breakfast or their lunches for the next day. So one of the biggest gifts that I can give you to weight loss is something that's really affordable and it's incredibly easy to use, and that's using a crock pot or slow cooker. I use one once or twice a week to batch prep anywhere from 4 pounds to 7 pounds of food that I can use for that entire week. So I spend a minimal amount of time in the kitchen. I probably typically spend between 15 and 20 minutes on a meal because I've already had things prepared and it's just sitting in the refrigerator waiting on you to heat it up and add some other accoutrements to your dishes. So by getting a crock pot, you're going to eliminate hours of time in the kitchen every week, and you're not really going to have to learn a new skill in cooking that way. I'm going to go ahead and add some different skills that aren't exactly what I would refer to as cooking. It's not anything like baking or souffling, anything that would be really complicated or complex to learn. Crock pots really make weight loss simple and save a lot of time. So enjoy using a crock pot. You can usually grab them in the store for $20 or $30. It'll prepare multiple pounds of food at a time that will last you the entire week. And if you've got a family, maybe even buy a couple of crock pots so that you can batch prep plenty of food for everybody else as well.